What's a stupid question that someone legitimately asked you? 1. I was showing a friend a telescope and pointing out all the constellations and planets I knew, and he legitimately asked me, where is Earth? 2. If there's a deep end and a shallow end, how come the water is flat on top? 3. Asked me as we were reviewing the portrait photography of her son, can you turn him so we don't see the scratch on his cheek? No ma'am, it's a picture. You should have asked this while we were in the camera room. 4. How long have you been twins? 5. I was working at A by the sliced pizza place, and had a woman come up and stared at the pizzas under the heat lamps, for about a minute or two before asking, what's the difference between the cheese pizza and the pepperoni pizza? I responded with, the pepperoni pizza is topped with cheese and pepperoni. After a long pause, she asked, and what about the cheese pizza? Taking a second to compose myself I replied, it just has cheese on it.